I pushed myself so much today to go for this run. I have to go for a 5k, especially until my competitions are close. I need to do intense workout.
Damn!
By the way, this is not just a running vlog. The main reason I wanted to record all of this is because I wanted to talk about rest and recovery because I personally ignored it with all my heart. And that's why I ended up getting injured. And bring you to the There's one thing that I've learned from running which I didn't realize when I used to run with my father back in Coimbatore is that it's training your brain to push your limits even when it tells you that you can't. And when you do it despite that, it says, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know you had it in you." Then your brain starts to believe. Not immediately, yes. All you need to be is consistent, extremely consistent. Back when I used to run with my father, I didn't realize he was trying to make me understand the same thing, that how it's going to help me mentally. But when I tell him now that this is how I think of it, he laughs because he said that this is what I wanted you to understand. This is what I was trying to make you understand. But I'm happy that now you do. If you think maybe you can't do so much in a day, let's say running in the morning, it's around 7:15 a.m. right now, and I have to head back, get ready, train, then evening I have to go for my workout. Maybe you can't find the stamina, and maybe somewhere you will end up compromising your training. Don't do that. Be smart with your planning. I didn't immediately start doing 5k. I had been doing 2k, just 2k twice a week, Saturday and Sunday, which is not my off day generally from training, but I kept Saturday and Sunday. Now I know that if I do it every alternate day, I still can manage my training. कुछ चीज़ें ना आप खुद अपने experience से realize करेंगे, and then you'll be like, okay, this is what's working for me. Figure out what works for you. Understand your body. That's the most important thing. There are days when your body can't work. Don't always listen to it. Try to understand when it's trying to make excuses and when it's genuinely actually tired and needs recovery and rest. I wanted to talk about rest and recovery because I personally ignored it. That's why I ended up getting injured. I had my rotator cuff injury. That was because of overtraining and absolutely no rest, because I was someone who used to feel guilty about resting. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि यार एक दिन जा रहा है बिना मेहनत करे, ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हूँ मैं? मतलब रेस्ट एंड रिकवरी को कोई वैल्यू नहीं दी मैं. You're not a superhuman. I mean, you can be, but you have to be smart about it. I very selflessly take a good off day. I don't feel guilty anymore. And by rest and recovery, I also don't mean कि आप घर पे बेड पे पूरा दिन पड़े हुए सीरीज देख रहे हैं या मूवीज देख रहे हो. That's even worse. आप स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ा रहे हो. Generally जो मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ, आइस बाथ. I love doing it. I have very recently started doing it, and I think it makes me feel very, very good. Massage लो. One recommendation about massage would be, I'm planning to take an off tomorrow. कि मुझे कल छुट्टी लेनी है, तो मैं आज शाम को मसाज लूँगी, कल नहीं. बिकॉज आपकी मसल्स रिलैक्स हो जाती हैं कि अगले दिन जब ट्रेनिंग करने जाते हो तो आपकी ट्रेनिंग उतनी अच्छी नहीं हो रही होती है, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट वरिंग. गैप इज़ गुड. इफ़ यू हैव मसाज गन्स, रिलीज़ योर शोल्डर, नेक, जो भी एरिया आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा सा रिलीज़ रिक्वायर्ड है वो कर लो. माई मेजर रिकमेंडेशंस. बाकी मैं बात करते करते लेट हो रही हूँ. आई शुड हेड बैक because I have a long day. Okay, bye.